Hey, what's up guys? It's your girl Makita back with another meal prep video. Now this video is meal prep hacks, ways to make meal prep even easier than what I posted in my last video. So stay tuned. So I have 5 meal prep hacks. I'm gonna make it super quick and in a hurry. So number 1 is meal plan. Meal planning is just when you actually take the time to sit and write what it is that you would like to eat for the week. It's not preparing anything, it's just giving you a plan. Then you take that plan with you, make a grocery list and buy those items, but you don't necessarily spend the whole day cooking them. You might be a person that has more time on your hands that you can prepare your meals every night. And it also gives you a little bit of control over the variety of food that you can have. My suggestion is to maybe get my meal planner, which I will leave the link in the description box. This is free. You can sit down, come up with your plan for the week, or maybe write it on a whiteboard so it's visual. Number 2 is just prep for one meal. Some people think that when you meal prep that you have to prepare breakfast, lunch, dinner, snack. You have to prep it all, and you don't. You can start with the basics. Just prep breakfast for the week. Maybe make yourself a breakfast casserole, cut it into 5 squares and add a fruit with that. And that's gonna be your breakfast for the week. Prepare protein smoothies. That's gonna be your breakfast for the week. And finally, just make egg muffins. There are so many egg muffin recipes all over everywhere that you can make such a huge variety of egg muffins. That way, that's at least one meal that's accounted for the week. Or you can just plan for lunch, or you can just meal plan your dinner. My number 3 meal prep hack is to plan for 2 or 3 days at a time. Again, people think meal prepping is I have to cook all the food for the entire week, and that's just not the case. You can certainly cook a dinner on Sunday and prepare leftovers for Monday and Tuesday and decide to do a mid-week prep in which you maybe cook enough dinner for your family and enough for you to have leftovers for Thursday and Friday. Guys, number 4 has to be one of my favorites. It's the no cook prep. What I mean by no cook is basically you're not having to turn on your stove. A no cook prep can be heading to Publix or your favorite grocer, buying a rotisserie chicken and pairing it up with your favorite vegetable. Nowadays, companies have so many varieties of frozen vegetables that you can use. So you can head to Publix, buy a rotisserie chicken, have a steamed bag of vegetables. There's your meal prep for a couple of days. You can do tuna fish and make a tuna salad and pair it with lettuce and make yourself a tuna salad for a few days. You can also do a chicken salad and make that for a few days. Number 5 is let your crock pot do the work. If you have a crock pot, dust it off, pull it out, get on YouTube, get on Pinterest, and find easy recipes in which you're pretty much throwing all your ingredients in your slow cooker and letting it cook for 6 hours. You can certainly put all your ingredients before you head to church, let it cook, and dinner is served for a few days and your meal prep is complete. Easy, easy. And you guys, this is a bonus. I love to share how companies do make eating healthy affordable. You may not agree with me, but I use this in my meal prepping. I often will go and buy grilled chicken in the bag and pair it with frozen vegetables. I can pop these in the oven, put these in the microwave, pair them together, and meal prep is done for a few days. They have chicken, they have beef. I like to buy these. It is just a seasoned beef. A lot of people don't like it because it's in the bag, but it just works well for me. You can have these steam bags. Sorry, they're backwards. And green beans. Done. Meal prep is done. This is at least 3 meals right here. So the bottom line is that I want to help you guys make meal prepping easy. You're still on track with your eating, but not with all the fuss. If you like the video, please give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel for more meal prep, more weight loss videos, and let me know what you guys want to see, because I want to make videos that are of value to you. Have a great day, guys.